one of the first things the Tennessee House of Representatives is going to do is vote on constitutional amendment to clarify, in some people's view, that
yes, right.
that income tax is already unconstitutional.
Right, yeah.
Or that it is now.
They think, yeah, right. Now that is, of course, an immediate issue that especially Tennesseans for Fair Taxation is concerned about and is circulating information about. Regardless of whether, and obviously we feel that a balanced tax system for Tennessee would include taking the tax completely off of food and reducing the sales tax overall and substituting a modest graduated income tax instead of the hall tax that we have now, and that would provide additional revenue for the state at the same time reducing taxes for a majority, or actually maybe up to 70% of Tennesseans. And so the issue for us now, at least, is not to foreclose that possibility. If the legislature this next year and then in the following General Assembly passes this resolution, then it'll go on the ballot, and if the public passes that amendment to the Constitution, then it would be almost impossible for the foreseeable future to have that as even as a possibility. And so we're saying, regardless of whether you're for an income tax anytime in the immediate future, you should not completely eliminate, or essentially completely eliminate, that possibility. We don't think the current legislature, or the one that we elect in 2012, should feel they have the wisdom to preclude a future legislature from deciding that is necessary.
Well, this obviously the people would get their say on that.
That's true. That's true.
Is there a reason why because I looked at some of your literature floating around today. You're actually trying to kill the legislation before it goes before the people.
Well, yeah. What we have, we don't have a complete democracy. We have a republic where there are responsibilities given to legislature, and you have various forms of amending that Constitution. We have a Constitution. We don't take a referendum on every issue that comes up.
Right.
And so we feel the responsible thing to do, especially now, is not to foreclose that possibility. Even though it does give the people the right to vote on that, we think there are certain things that we elect our representatives to decide for us, and if we don't like that, we can elect somebody else. But we feel that the legislature has a responsibility, at least not to prevent a future legislature from understanding the possible need for an income tax.